Wanna know how to leave or remove yourself from the clan in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends cape. So, once you have opened it up, it should look something like this. So, we have also created a video on how to join a clan, so make sure to watch it. So, in order to leave a clan, it's super simple. So, in the bottom right beside index, you should be seeing something known as clan. Just simply select that. So now once you have selected your clan, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. And on the leftmost side, right below info, you should be seeing members. Just simply select members. So now once you have selected members, here you should be seeing your username. So you can just simply find a username. It will usually be on the top. And once you have found it, just simply select your username. And here you should be seeing actions, that is with the gear icon. Just simply select that and select leave. And then select OK. And you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.